we covered very clearly about okay, we covered very clearly about how you can perform query operation. Of course, here I have books. I have books collection is there. In this collection, multiple documents are available. Seven documents I kept already. Okay, seven documents are there, sir. Okay, now, so first query I'm asking, can you please list out all documents present in the books collection? All documents present in the book collection. Yes, very simple. db.books.find pretty, or db.books dot find the curly brace open and close pretty. Okay, like we have to take. Next, find the total number of documents present in books collection. Present in books collection. Find the total number of documents present in books collection. db.books.find.count like we have to take. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? So how many number of documents are there? Just count is the thing we have to talk. Next, can you please list out only first document? Only one document I required. Sir, find the one without argument or just a curly brace open and close. We are not having any constraint. Okay, we are not having any condition. That's why we are going to get all, but I'm asking about only one. That's why find the one. Okay, like next, pretty and count methods we have to use on the find the result, but not on find one result. Internally, the reason for that is sir, find one returns the document, but the find is always going to returns is cursor object is going to return. Of course, that part we will discuss in the next level. Don't worry, right? Next, can you please list down from books all documents from books collection where downloadable is the false? Downloadable is the false. Okay, like list out all documents from the books collection where number of reviews is 3. Okay, like sir, can you please confirm up to this? Is it clear, right, friends? Yes. Okay, now here just observe that nested documents, how you can perform query operation. Nested documents, how you can perform query operation, right? Sir, here it's a very simple. It's a very simple. Sir, here title is a Linux. Yeah, you can. Sir, I want to select all the documents where title is Linux in simple way. Very simple, right? Very simple, right? Array, here title is here Linux in simple way. You have to use. Next, ISBN or otherwise downloadable or otherwise number. So among these, based on any of these properties, okay, can you please select documents? Happily we can do, no problem at all. Yes, up to this is the clear, right? Please respond, please confirm. Clear, right? Now my question is, what these two things are erase. These two things are erase. Okay, these two things are erase. Next, what about this one? What about this one is a nested document. Nested document, right? Okay, now my question is, how to query nested documents? This is about my requirement, right? Array, my question is, list out all documents where others call name is Kohli. Okay, others call name is Kohli. Now I have to talk about nested property. Based on the nested document property, I have to take how you can do that, sir. Here, querying nested documents. If the value if the value of a field, is again a document, if the value of the field is again document, then that nested property we can access. Then that nested property we can nested property value we can access by using dot operator. Dot operator. Okay, like sir, what it means, here observe very carefully, right? Sir, I want other dot call name is Kohli. 1 minute, sir. Here just observe carefully about this one, sir. Can you please list out all documents where others where others call name is Kohli? where others call name is Kohli, like this is about my requirement, right? So how you can do that, sir? How you can do that, sir? Very simple. db dot books dot db dot books dot, okay, find. I'm using the word db dot books dot find. Okay, just the curly brace open and the close. Now, anyone, can you please write the query based on this knowledge? Can you please tell here which thing I have to take? Anyone, please respond, because I want to listen this from you especially. You have to tell. Yeah, respond. Vardhan, excellent. So here just observe others call name. Now other and call name is the next property. Other call name is the next property. What about that? Anyone, can you please tell? Anyone, can you please tell? Oi, exactly within curly braces what I have to take. That's about my requirement. Exactly within curly braces what I have to take. Based on this, other is the top property, nested property name, call name. Nested property name, call name. Nested property name, call name. Yes, yes, I want to listen from you people. Okay, please respond. Okay, now here just observe that. Observe carefully. Other dot other dot call name, other dot call name, other dot call name. So which call name we are expecting, sir? Kohli. Okay, which call name we are expecting, sir? Kohli, like I'm taking, sir. Now observe. Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand? Yeah, other that call name Kohli. Sir, something like number of reviews is three direct property, but a nested property, right? Other dot call name. Okay, like so here take very special care, sir. So if the value of a field is again a document, again document means JavaScript object, then that nested property value we can access. Then that nested property value can be accessed, can be can be accessed by can be accessed by using dot operator. Then that nested property value can be accessed by using dot operator. What is the meaning of this one? Like sir, here there is one small thing I have to tell for you people. Please take a bit special care. Yes, believe me, it is not going to work. Believe me, it is not going to work. What is the reason for that? Okay, just let me show this one. Is it going to work or not? Yes, pretty will work, Sandeep. There is no problem, because I used which method? Find method. And the find method result we can call pretty. No problem at all. No problem. So pretty find, no issue. Here there is a small problem is there. That problem I will discuss, because I want to highlight that. That's why I'm stressing this point here. Okay, now have a look once, sir. Okay, here just I'm trying to take, I'm just selecting this one. Okay, let me copy paste here. Yes, because I'm in the same database already. Books collection is available. Okay, like now have a look once. Uncaught exception, syntax error, missing a colon after property id, something like it is telling, sir. So where is the problem? Where is the problem? Why this one is invalid? The reason for that is, sir, here this total is the key value. This total is the key. If it is the nested property, compulsory we should use quotes symbol. So key must be enclosed within quotes. Remember this one, sir. Key must be enclosed within quotes. But if it's the normal property, yes, key not required to enclose within the quotes. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. So here, if the value of the field is again a document, then that nested property value can be accessed by using dot operator. Dot operator. In this case, key in this case, key must be enclosed within quotes. Key must be enclosed within quotes. That's why this one is the invalid. Please take a bit very special care. This is the small mistake what we are going to do, what usually we are doing, sir. Okay, like but if I take this one, 100% pakka itself is the valid, sir. Okay. Now let me copy, let me paste here. Array, why? Because it seems there is a problem. Okay, now am I getting result? I'm getting the result, sir. In this result, what is my condition? Other dot call name is the Kohli. Can you please scratch other dot call name is Kohli? That's all. Only one document we are getting, sir. No other document. Okay, no other document. Okay, like clear, right? Okay, this is MongoDB understandable from Viraj. Okay, compulsory we require to take within double quotes. Okay, it is expecting, boss. What it means here, please consider this total thing as a single property. Okay, I'm talking about this total thing as the single property. Okay, like yeah, Amit, clear, right? Okay, next one more thing, just let observe a bit very carefully. In the last I told this point, sir. Okay, read all employees. Read all employees where ECL is greater than 1000, 10,000, where E address is Hyderabad, or more than one condition, two conditions, three condition, whatever we are doing in our regular SQL, all those things happily we can do in MongoDB. Okay, remember the two conditions we can implement, three conditions we can implement. Slowly we are going to discuss. Don't worry at all. Okay, like, sir, clear for you people up to this? Any doubt? Up to this, any doubt? Okay, this is the only thing what we have to take. So in this case, key must be enclosed within quotes. Okay, like, now let me take one more question, sir. Sir, list out all documents from the books collection. From books collection, list out all documents from the books collection. Okay, like, sir, now where, what is my condition, sir? Where what is my condition? Here, see this one. In this JSON, okay, every other having profile, correct, right? Profile, other profile, sir. Other profile experience is 8 years, sir. How many courses he published, sir? 3 courses. How many books he wrote? 2 books, assume that. Now my question is, so where others profile contain 2 courses? Okay, others profile contain 2 courses. That's about my requirement, right? Oh, how many levels we have to move? Other profile courses is two. Okay, like 3 levels we require to specify. Now I hope where others profile, others profile contains 2 courses, contains 2 courses. Can you please list out all documents from books collection where others profile contains exactly 2 courses? Exactly 2 courses, not a minimum 2 courses, exactly 2 courses. Yeah, please guide, please guide. What is the query I have to take? Please guide, what is the query I require to take? Okay, db.books.find other dot call, sorry, others dot other dot profile dot courses, other dot profile dot courses. Observe that other profile courses is 3. Other dot profile dot courses is 3 dot pretty. I'm trying to take, sorry, here two is contain 2 courses. Okay, like, yes, can you please confirm? Now observe why they are expecting code symbol A. Boss, this total thing is considered as a property, like, because dot means maybe it is considering, oh, some dot find something, like they are trying to apply, like, no, this total thing is a single key. For that purpose, code symbol it is expecting. Clear? Let me execute this one. So am I going to get or not? Okay, here just observe carefully, right? Yeah. Sir, is it possible to take all key separate codes or not? No. All keys means what? In all the queries. Kiran Pal Singh Yadav. What is your doubt? In all queries. So key I want to use always double quotes. Is it your doubt? Is it your doubt? Okay. So or otherwise here other separately, profile separately, courses separately. What is your doubt? In all queries are you talking or here? Okay. Level is how much? 100 level. Okay, in all queries key, if you want you can take double quotes, if you don't want you can ignore. But in the case of nested documents, while querying, compulsory the key should be enclosed within quotes. Remember carefully. Okay. So in all key we mention codes. So we can take, but not required keys everywhere. But here nested documents compulsory keys must be required. I respond. Suppose here I want to access here, just observe that I want to access based on ISBN. Array ISBN is not a nested document, right? Have you observed? ISBN value is not a document. It is a normal field. We are not required to use. We are not required to use code symbol. But here name is the nested property. Profile is the nested property. Courses is the nested property. While accessing nested properties, compulsory we require to use code symbol. Clear? Okay, Uday. Yes, we will get that option also. We will have that thing also. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. Now observe carefully, right? Sir, here let me execute this query. So other dot profile dot courses contain two, like I have to get, sir. Now here, see this one. Observe carefully. I don't know how many records came, but anyway, just my intention is, yes, courses is the two. Courses is the two, like next here, courses is the two. Have you observed, right? Courses is the two. Courses is the two. Only two documents came. Only two documents came, sir. Okay. Count, like how many documents are there? Only two documents came. That's it. Feeling comfortable? How to query nested documents? Yeah. Can I go to the next level? How to query nested documents? Is the things are very clear for you people, right? Okay. Next, now only one thing is missing, sir. In this, happily, you can take these things and you can talk about these things. Only one thing is missing in our document. Which thing? Can you please confirm? Only one thing is missing in this document. Document. So which thing? Array. How to query array elements is the thing. Okay. Here querying. Okay. Querying arrays. Querying arrays. Array elements and arrays. Okay. Like, or otherwise I can take querying array elements. Querying array elements. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now observe carefully. Querying array elements, sir. Now don't think too much. It is exactly same as, okay, exact match. Already I told, right? Exact match, like it is it is exactly same as exact match. Okay, like sir. Now what it means, here now observe that db dot collection dot fine. Here just here take very special care, or otherwise directly let me go for example, so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Now can you please list out all documents where tax contain programming, where tax contain programming. This is about my requirement, right? Array, can you please list out all documents where tax contain programming, tax array contain programming element? Remember carefully, right? Okay. So now observe that. list out list out all documents where tax array contains a programming element. Okay. Programming element. Yeah. I hope here tax is an array. In that programming element is there or not? This is about, so I'm talking, sir, tax array contain programming element or not? This is my requirement, right? So very simple, sir. Anyone, can you please guess what may be the code? What may be? Can you please write the complete query, please? Yeah. Anyone, can you please tell what is the code we have to take? Yes, respond. Yeah, simple. I told, right? I told directly. Array. It is exactly same as exact match only. There is no difference at all. Like, sir, what it means, sir? Very simple. db dot db dot books dot db dot books dot here fine. Okay, like I'm taking now tags. It is not a nested property. That's why code symbols are not required. Tags contain, so which elements are programming, which element programming. Okay, that's it. Dot dot pretty pretty. Okay, that's getting the point. db.books dot find tags. So here, don't fear, tags value is the programming. So tags is an array. In this array, programming element is there. It is going to return all. Getting the point? Are you feeling comfortable? Hey, respond. Are you feeling comfortable, right? Yeah. Querying array elements. How you can do that? Okay, like now here, just let me cross check. Yes, yeah, my is it correct or not? Okay, like now here, uh Tirupati, it is not going to work. Tirupati, it is not going to work. Compulsory you require to use this style only. Okay, compulsory we require to use this style, normal way only. Someone is asking, so like can you please, okay, like someone is asking about this. Sorry, it is no, it is not. So what is the difference between this one and this one? You have to aware, friend. Okay, anyway, this part is required. Okay, what is the difference between this one and this one? We have to aware. So we are querying array elements. Array elements. In this array, if this element is there, can you please list out document? Okay, this is the querying array elements. But this one is querying array. Array means so tags value is exactly this array. Sir, compulsory in this array only one element is there. That element should be programming. Observe the difference. Are you seeing right? Are you seeing right? Here, this array can contain any number of elements, but in that programming is there or not. But here, this array compulsory should contain, this is exact match. Exact match is there. Okay, compulsory should contain only one element. Only one element. That element should be programming. This is I can use the word querying array elements. Querying array elements. But this one I can use the word query array itself. Query array itself. I'm not talking about internal element. Past total array should be matched like you are asking. Clear, right? Okay, so yeah, good. Amit is telling one layman analogy. Yeah, here observe that it is something like we are finding fruit in the basket. Yeah, excellent. We are trying to find fruit in the basket. But in the second case, we are trying to find the basket itself. Okay. Yes, but in the second case, we are trying to find basket itself. Okay, this is query array itself, query array elements. Are you seeing the difference? Yes, friends. Are you seeing the difference, right? Okay. So this is yeah. Now, if two fields are there in this array, in that one is the programming. In this case, that document is not going to be selected. Venkat, in this case, the document is not going to be selected. If two elements are there in that array, even programming is there, but in this case, it's not going to be selected because the reason is in this compulsory tax array should contain exactly this array only. Tax is exactly same as this one. Okay, remember, I will show, don't worry, right? So observe that carefully. So db dot books dot, so find the dot pretty. This is our required answer. Okay, this is the required answer, right? Okay, now let me execute this one. Array, wherever programming tag is there, can you please return? Can you please return like can you, multiple documents came, sir? Multiple documents came. Okay, now here tags contain programming. Have you observed other elements also there? Other elements also there. Now second document, tags contain programming. Other elements are there. Now the third one, sorry, have you observed tags contain only programming? It's also valid. It's also valid like okay. Next yeah, like three things are available. But if I execute second query, if I execute second query, how many documents are going to come? Am I going to get three documents? Am I going to get three documents? Now observe that. Now observe that. Only one document we are going to get, I hope. Only one document we are going to get, I hope. I hope. Okay, like yes, sir. Here, how many documents I'm getting, sir? In this case, only one document. What is the reason for that? Here, tags contain how many elements are there? Only one element. That element is programming. Are you seeing the difference, right? If a tax contains some other element, sorry, it is not going to be our requirement. So I hope you can see the difference between this one and this one. Very important, sir. Query array element, array elements, query array itself. I hope you people can are you in the position to see, right? Okay, so that's all. This is one thing you should aware, of course. Here, 1 minute, let me use this. Yeah, this is our query, sir. Okay, like sir, now here some people are asking about my tags contain programming under database. Tags contain programming under database. No problem. No problem at all. It is also acceptable. Tags contain programming under database, something like, yes, we can specify multiple things also. Okay, like sir, same is used for the nested array or not? Yes, we can use for nested array also. Okay, like next query number 2. Okay, here just observe that, sir. List out all documents where languages array contains a Telugu element. Okay, list out all documents where where languages lang lang languages, okay, array contains Telugu element, Telugu element. Okay, like now observe carefully. Suppose in Amazon I want Telugu books. Okay, something like I want can you please list out all the books, all the books. So where written language is the Telugu language, related to the Telugu language, like now observe here, languages. Okay, languages contain Telugu. Okay, this is my requirement, right? Where languages array contains a Telugu element, can I use the same thing, the same thing where instead of tags we require to take languages, instead of programming we require to talk about Telugu? Yeah, please confirm. Any doubt about this one? Okay, now observe this carefully. Now observe this. What the answer? I'm getting some documents. I don't know all these are matched or not. Who? There are several documents. The reason for that is everywhere Telugu is there, I hope, because I didn't while editing I didn't touch languages array, because for all the things I kept as Telugu, like now here just observe that languages Telugu is there. Perfect. Here also languages Telugu is there. Perfect. Here also languages Telugu is there. Okay, like now here also languages Telugu is there. Now languages Telugu is contained. Here also languages Telugu is there. That's why, like someone is asking about Telugu and Hindi, or Telugu or Hindi. Okay, like that part slowly next level we will discuss. Vidya. Okay, that is there. First we have, that is what combined conditions, multiple conditions of you can query. For that we require to have, okay, operators concept. That part I will take care, don't worry. As of now, just aware. Sir, clear for you people up to this? Any doubt? Respond. Any doubt about this one? List out all languages, how to query, how you can query array elements itself. Okay, now my question is, sir, here querying array itself, querying array itself, because all these things we have to review again somewhere. Querying array itself, array itself. Okay, like let me take a question, sir. Okay, so that you people can fill. List out all documents where tax array contains, where tax array contains only one element, programming, only one element programming. Wow. Here just observe where tax array contain only one element and that element should be programming. That element should be programming. Oh, now you are talking about complete array itself, not the internal element level. You are talking about array, total array should contain only one element. That element should be programming. Yes. Can I use is this word? Please confirm. Is it going to fulfill my requirement or not? I respond. Is it going to fulfill my requirement or not? Yes. So this is total tax array contain only one element. That element should be the programming. Okay. Yes. Now have a look once, sir. Okay. Now here, how many documents I'm getting, sir? Only one document I'm going to get. Here tax contain programming. Okay. No other document. No other document. Only one document we are going to get. Okay. Only one document we are getting. No other document. Yeah. Feeling comfortable? What is the meaning of? So can I use the word? It is the query array itself. It is query array itself. Okay, like now, sir, here just observe that list out all documents, list out all documents where tax array, list out all documents where tax array is okay. Now I'm taking okay in our database in our database intentionally tax I'm taking. Okay, something like I'm trying to take I'm trying to take where tax like this, right? Here now have a look once. So compulsory if the tax array exactly this then only we are going to list out such a type of documents. Okay, like so what we have to take here is yes, the same thing only, the same thing only. Now here instead of this array we require to take this array. Okay, instead of this array we have to take this array. Okay, like dbdot bookshot fine tax language freeware programming dot pretty. Okay, like so anyone can you please confirm what is the output we are going to get? I mean, is it valid or not? Yes. Here observe carefully, observe carefully about this one. Please have a look once. Yeah. Oh, how many records are there? Two. Sir, have you observed? Language freeware programming. Language freeware programming. Okay. Language freeware programming. That's all. Only two documents. Only two documents. Sir, now my question is here. Can I use the word it is query array itself? Okay. Here order of elements. Here order of elements inside array is important or not important? Here order of elements inside array is important or not important? Can you please tell? Here order is important. Remember carefully, right? Important. Okay, like sir, here if you want where is the proof for that? Where is the proof for that? Sir, same array I'm taking, but here instead of this programming freeware languages programming and then freeware I'm taking at last. Okay, first language, next sir programming, next freeware I'm taking, sir. Now let me cross check. Let me cross check, sir. How many results are there? You can see. Okay, let me cross check this one. sorry, let me here, let me copy paste. Yeah, sir, I changed the order. I changed the order. Here what will happen in this case? So how many results I'm getting? How many results I'm getting? Zero, zero. Have you observed, right? Zero. So immediately I'm not seeing any result, means zero. Sir, if you want, you can use the count. Zero number of results are there. Okay, because with this array, there is no such type of thing. Next, either case is important or not. Case is also important. Remember that. Remember, case is also important. Okay. Now, data, it won't return any document. Clear, right? Are you feeling? Because the given order not matched with any document. That's it. I hope not required to keep any explanation. So querying array elements, next querying array itself. Okay, like now. So what is the difference between these two things? You should aware. It is something like we are finding fruit in a basket, but not a basket. Okay, but in the second case, but in the second case, we are trying to find basket itself. Okay, basket itself. Yeah, Amit, correct? That's it. So this is how you can do, how we can do that. So related to, okay, querying. We are trying to, sorry, we are trying to, by mistake. Okay, we are trying to find the basket itself. That's all. This is what you people should aware clearly, right? Okay, are you feeling comfortable up to this? Any doubt you are facing? Please confirm. Okay, can I go to the next level? Yeah. So now you are asking, ignore case terminology. As of now, no idea. Maybe definitely that option will be there. Okay, Vidya, we will check. Don't worry. Okay, sir. Here now I have one small doubt also. Okay, 1 minute. Is real case is going to consider? I hope by default with the programming, right? Compulsory cases should be considered because language freeware. Okay, like freeware, like I'm taking, sir. No, let me consider here case. Really, is it? Because I never checked. I'm thinking that case is also important. Okay, like yes, correct. Because you are not seeing. It is the original order. With this original order, records are already there. Okay, with this original order, records are already there. Already there. Okay, this is if you are considering. But case is not. So case is important. Case is important. Okay, like now observe. Now have a look once. The query is the same. The query is the same, but a lower case I took, sir. The query is the same, but a lower case I took. Now you can see some documents. Now you can see some documents. Earlier I'm not seeing any document, any document I'm not seeing, but now you can see some documents. Okay, two documents. But here why zero number of documents here? Because case is also considering. Have you observed, right? Your order of elements inside array is important, and even case also. Yeah. Okay, any doubt? Everyone feels comfortable, right? Okay, up to this. Now, so how to query? nested documents, querying nested documents, next querying array elements. So slowly we are entering into read operation, find operation. Okay, now the next cinema beautiful concept is there, sir. Okay, what is that concept is, now we can write queries very efficiently, complex queries very easily we can write. For that, in MongoDB, query operators concept is there. Okay, query operators, query operators, right? Okay, so we can use operators in our queries, in our queries. Okay, we can use operators in our queries to retrieve data. Okay, these operators are going to be very very helpful, sir. Someone asked, sir, I want to implement 2 conditions, 3 conditions, how you can do that? Yes, operator must be required. Remember this one, sir. Okay, like much complex queries if you want to write, this operators concept is going to be very very helpful, right? Okay, like sir, if I use here just observe that here number of reviews, number of reviews. Okay, like three or otherwise other. Okay, other dot name something like here Durga, like I'm trying to take, sir. Have you observed here, it is the field name, it is the value, it is the value. Okay, it is the field name, it is the field name, and it is the value. Okay, like but now my requirement is, but now my requirement is, take very very special care, sir. I want to use operator. How to differentiate it is an operator, sir? Very simple. Anything starts with a dollar symbol. Okay, remember this one, sir. Every operator prefixed with a dollar, it is the indicating that, hey, don't consider this one as a field or value, it is operator, you have to do some operation. It is the indication, it is the indication to the MongoDB server. Getting, feeling comfortable? What is it? So every operator, every operator, every operator prefixed with, prefixed, every operator prefixed with the dollar symbol. Every operator prefixed with dollar symbol to indicate that, it is operator, but not field or value, but not field or value. Okay, by by seeing dollar symbol, by seeing dollar symbol, so MongoDB server will execute the corresponding operator functionality. Okay, MongoDB server will execute the corresponding operator functionality, the corresponding operator functionality. That's it. Clear, right? Suppose here 1 0 I'm taking, sir. So 1 0 0, like I'm taking, array, it is the value, it is the value. Suppose I'm taking plus a symbol 200. Okay, like whenever plus a symbol it is doing, whenever plus symbol it is seeing, oh, I have to do some operation, I have to do some operation, correct or not? Whenever plus a symbol we are seeing, I have to do some operation, like this feeling by default MongoDB server is going to get. Okay, just general, of course here general thing I'm talking. So this 0 is the part of the value, this 0 is the part of the value, but plus is not part of the value, plus is not part of the value, it is doing something in our programming or otherwise calculations. The same way, wherever dollar symbol is there, it has to do some predefined already existing functionality, it is the responsible to execute. Clear, right? So what is the meaning of query operators, for which purpose we are going to use? So the first set of query operators, what I have to discuss, multiple things are available, friends, believe me, sir. So do you know the first set of query operators, comparison query operators we have to discuss. Comparison query operators we have to discuss about these things, right? Okay, believe me, here, do you know, so documentation, MongoDB documentation itself is the best choice, best choice if you want to learn, if you want to explore completely about these operators, right? Sir, have you observed docs is there, server documentation, MongoDB manual, documentation like in this documentation, uh, references is there, references in the operators is there, operators is there. Okay, like so you know, in the query and the projection operators, comparison operators. Okay, like how many comparison operators are there? Can you please cross check? EQ, GT, GTE, in, LT, LTE, NE, NIN, like, sir, I want to know information about GT. Like, just click. Now, how you can use GT? What is the purpose of GT? All these things with examples they are providing. Beautiful, right? But only thing is, you have to spend some time on this documentation. Okay, like, do you know? So what I did is, if I referred from the Google, if I referred from the YouTube, I'm always getting part of the knowledge. Okay, if I'm referring complete this documentation itself, then I will get much knowledge. Like, what I did is, I just all these operators I copied, and I prepare a document for my preparation sake. Yes, observe that. Query and the projection operators. I prepared this document by just by copy paste. Have you observed? Just by copy paste, just for my reference sake, for my preparation sake. These are things like. But all the operators we are not required to discuss. But at least some important operators we have to discuss. Tomorrow, if any operator you require to work, then open this documentation, have a look. You should be in the position to understand. Okay, just the only query operators. How many pages document is 237 pages document? Okay, you are not required to refer all these things, don't worry, son. But required important things, definitely I will talk. Clear, right? Yes, friends. Yeah, even I shared this document in our folder. Don't worry, sir. The people who are very much interested, okay. So even I shared this document also for your reference sake. Happily, you can refer that. Okay. Now the next step, what I have to talk, comparison operator. So how many comparison operators are there? Okay. Dollar EQ, sir, to check equality. Dollar NE, NE means not equal. Equal, not equal. Equal, not equal. Dollar GT. What is this one, sir? GT means? GT means greater than. Dollar GTE. GTE. What is the meaning of GTE? GTE means greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to or equal to. Dollar LT. LT. Dollar LTE. Dollar LT less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Next, dollar in. Okay, membership operator, right? In. Dollar NIN, not in. Okay, membership operators are these. The people who are coming from Python, have you remembered? The people who are coming from Python background, Python background, membership operators are there. Okay, like something like here, if x in 10 comma 20 comma 30, like if x in, so if x value in one of these, if a value of x present in this array, okay, like in operator, right? If x in membership operator, so if x not if x not in, have you observed, right? If x is not in, boss, if x value is not in this, something like, I want, if x present in this, I want that document. If x not present in this, I want that document. Okay, like so these are things, these are comparison operators. Okay, remember. Can I explain each operator so that you will get much clarity how you can use, like, can I go for that, right? Yeah. Now I'm ready to talk about the dollar EQ. Okay, legend. So the first one, you people may feel bored. What is the reason for that is? What is the reason? What is the reason for that is, whatever we discussed up to this. Okay, I told, right, queries. I told, right, queries. All these queries, Same thing itself is EQ operator, right? Whatever we covered up to this is talks about EQ only. We use a directly shortcut way, but now with operator we require to do that side. So the EQ operator, the dollar EQ operator matches documents where the value of the field, where the value of field, where the value of the field is equal to specified value, where the value of the field is equal to specified value. Boss, if the field value is exactly same as this value, then can you please do that? Okay, like sir, now what is the syntax for that? What is the syntax, right? Sir, very simple. DB done, collection done, find done. Okay, fine. Now here say this. Okay, field. Now observe that first time we are using $eq because the syntax is the same for all other comparison operators also. Please take a bit very special care, sir. Suppose I'm taking some field, a particular field. Array, this field value is equal to so and so value, is equal to so and so value. Now I want to use a $eq operator, right? What is the way, sir? Field and then another document to specify value, right? Okay, here $eq. So which value? $eq colon value. Like, yeah, please confirm. Are you feeling comfortable? So observe first field colon value. Again, it is a document. In that, so EQ operation we have to do for this. Okay. So to match the value, we have to perform EQ operation. Okay, like because the remaining is also same. That's why. So please take a bit special care. Okay. So it is exactly same as it is exactly same as it is exactly same as db dot collection dot okay find okay, like now field value, like okay, I can use the word. It is a shortcut way. Have you observed, right? It is a shortcut way. We use it already this one. we use it already this one, sir. This one. But anyway, this is the shortcut way. So only for EQ you may feel bored because we use a shortcut way. Now we have to talk about lengthy way. But don't worry, sir. Why you have to cover? Because if you aware this, then how to use the remaining operators will become very easy. That's why. So please observe carefully. I will tell 2 or 3 queries based on this also. Don't worry, sir. So that the biggest advantage you are going to get already known thing in different style we are discussing. Plus, sir, this knowledge is helpful to understand the remaining, how to use the remaining operators also. Okay, like can I go for that, right? Please confirm. Okay, so now query one, sir, equals a specific value, or otherwise case one whatever I covered equals to specific value, equals to specific value equals to specific value, sir. In that, so can you please, my field value equal to a particular value. Okay, so what I have to take is, sir, now query one, I'm trying to take, sir. Select all documents okay, from books collection where number of reviews is 3, where number of reviews is 3, where number of reviews is 3. Have you observed exact match? Case 1 equals to specific value. Select all documents from books where collection from books collection where number of reviews is 3. Please guide how to write by using EQ operator. I know shortcut way, but how to write by using EQ operator? Please confirm. Yeah, please type and let me know. Please type and let me know how to write $eq operator. Please confirm, everyone. Vardhan Gupta, you are doing too good. What about remaining people? Don't be silent. If you are not typing anything, you may get sleep also. That's why please type each and everything. Eh, so whether it is the wrong or whether it is right, I won't mind anything. Don't worry. Okay, if you try, even your answer is wrong, but I'm sure you will get subject very well. That's why type. You have to learn just like a school kid, because I'm always like a school teacher. Spoon feeding each and every point line to line. You have to be just like a school kid. If you are not responding, I will give left and right. Stick is also there with me. Yeah, good. Now observe carefully about this. Okay, db dot db dot books dot db dot books dot find dot. Okay, fine. So what is the property? Find what is the property, sir? Now observe that my property is number of reviews. It is a normal property. Code symbols are not required. Okay, code symbols are not required. Now what is the value, sir? Here I want to use operator dollar eq colon. Which values are 3? I have to take. Okay, like dot pretty. Yeah, beautiful. Are you feeling comfortable about this one? Respond. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Can you please tell shortcut way? Can you please tell shortcut way? The shortcut way itself is directly 3. Shortcut way itself is directly 3. Either first one or second one. Directly. Okay. Like now here, see this. Okay. Just in the documentation, if you want, you can refer. Otherwise, ignore. No problem. Right. Okay. Now here, sorry. Let me execute use sorry store db. Yeah, switch it to. Okay, now here see this one. Why it is selecting 2 times? Mouse virus, yeah. Can you please observe that? So what's my question is, where number of reviews is the 3? I want to get all the documents. Array number of reviews is the 3. Perfect. Here in the second document, number of reviews is the 3. Third, only 2 documents are available, sir. Only 2 documents are available. Okay, count. Only 2 documents are available, right? Sir, CM, if I can take like this, if I can take this one, this query, sir. If I can take this query, okay, direct. Now also I have to get the same number of documents, 2 documents only. Clear, right? Are you feeling comfortable? How to equals to specific value. Now second case, right? Okay, case 2. Case 2. Okay, observe that carefully. Field in embedded documents equals a value. Field in embedded document or nested document, nested document or embedded document equals field in nested document equals a value. Array nested document fields, how you can, already I told, right? Already I told, right? Okay, query 1. Here see this one, sir. So read all documents from the books collection. Read all documents from the books collection. From the books collection. Okay, instead of read, I can use the word select. Select all documents from the books collection. Select all documents from the books collection. Books collection. Okay. Here books collection where other profile contains 2 courses. Contains two courses. Like we took this one already, right? Where other profile contains 2 courses. Where other profile contain 2 courses. Two courses. Okay, like what I have to take is, anyone can you please guide? db dot books dot fine. Okay, like I want to use eq operator, right? eq operator. Sir, is it nested property or not? Nested property, double quotes or quote symbols are mandatory. Okay, other. Okay, dot profile, other dot profile dot courses. Okay, like other dot profile dot courses. 1 minute. Okay, this is okay, like now. So this value is again a document. This value is again document in the dollar eq colon Okay, what is the values are 2 I have to take? Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Data profile, sorry, data pretty. Yeah. Yes, is it valid or not? Respond. Is it valid or not? Valid. Now instead of this one, directly you can take a 2 also. Okay, both the things are perfectly same. Okay, let me cross check here. Yes, observe how many I am getting here. Other profile courses 2. Yeah, correct. Match is there. Other profile courses is the 2. Other profile courses is the 2. Okay, like clear, right? Yeah, respond. Getting the point? Any doubt? Any explanation is required? Okay. Now, so this is not required to take. Okay. Now, array element equals a value. Okay. Yeah. Venkat, I told based on 2 conditions, based on 3 conditions, how you can next level we will. Just we are talking about how to use these operators first. And then next level and R, NOR. Okay, like there are multiple. There you will see all those. Better to learn step by step so that you people can understand very easily. Yeah. So now clear up to this. Now case 3. Just observe that because all these things are seems to be known things, but how you can use matter of just a few minutes extra we require to spend. Beyond that, like nothing extra. Array element equals a value. Array element equals a value. Like this is my requirement, right? So array element equals a value. Yes, I told, right? Querying array element, querying array itself, array itself. Okay, so like so read all documents from the collection. Read all documents from the books collection, where tax array where tax array contains where tax array contains a database element database element database element. Okay, tax array contain database element. Here just observe the tax array contains a database element. Yeah, you know how you can write normal query, but here how to write array elements, same story. Can you please tell what I have to, sorry, what I have to take is database. Okay, sorry, tax array contains here. Do you know $eq? I'm taking tax $eq. What I have to, what I require to take, sir? Here tax array contains a database element. Okay, database element. Okay, like yeah, that pretty. Am I doing any mistake? Please confirm. Is it clear, right? Respond. Is it clear, right? Same database. Okay, like now 1 minute. Is it going to work or not? Okay, now tax array contain database or not? Yes, here tax array contain database. Next, in the second document, tax array contain database. That's all, only 2 documents I got, sir. Now shortcut way, can you please tell? The shortcut way is do you know, this is the shortcut way. Tax database, like last case. Okay, with that our repetition is going to be completed, believe me. Okay, case 4 repetition is going to be completed, sir. Okay, like what that is, I want to equals array directly, equals array value directly, but not element. Equals array array value directly, okay, like equals array value directly. Okay, like now what is the way, sir? Something like querying array itself. Read all documents or select all documents. Okay, select all documents from books collection, where tax array, where tax array array where tax array okay is exactly equal to, where tax array is exactly equal to. Okay, now you can take some okay, like I'm trying to take this one, sir, where tax array is the specified array exactly equal to like this, right? Yeah, already we aware this part. I don't think you people are going to get some difficulty, right? Yeah, please guys, db dot books dot db dot books dot find db dot books dot find I'm trying to take. What is the next here? Tax is okay, tax, yes, dollar eq, okay. Now you have to take like this. Now you require to take yes, eq, this is the value. eq itself is the value, sir. Okay, like now this is dot pretty. Okay, like sir, can you please confirm how many documents I'm going to get, sir? Okay, here, sorry. Yes, how many documents are there with this? I'm not sure. Yes, observe that. Yes, oh, two documents are coming, sir. Can you please language for freeware programming, language freeware programming is there. Next, the second document, okay, language freeware programming, maybe related to the Python and related to Java, it seems. Yeah, so can you please tell what is the shortcut way? Can you please tell what is the shortcut way? Shortcut way is this nonsense is not required. Directly we can take. Here also this thing is not required. So that's it. Believe me, how you can use EQ operator. Are you feeling comfortable? But for the remaining, we are not required to talk about 4 cases. The remaining just introduce and then one query is more enough. Yes. Clear, right? What is the meaning of EQ? Have you observed first day, almost around 8 sessions we completed. By this time, we are having some basic idea in the MongoDB. Just few days before, we are having zero knowledge, but day by day, slowly our knowledge is keep on increasing. Just believe me, sir, if you are going to spend a few days with me, I'm sure you will become experts in this MongoDB. The biggest advantage here is if you aware MongoDB, you can work, you can understand and work on any other NoSQL database. Like tomorrow, Cassandra required. Okay, sir, next Amazon DynamoDB is required. Happily, you can work on any non-SQL database, any NoSQL databases very easily, friends. The next trend is always NoSQL databases only. Remember carefully. That's why please make sure better to have clear clarity, better to learn, so as much as possible, better to keep much concentration.